Welcome to Frost & Sullivan's Growth Podcast. In each episode, we take a deeper look at transformative shifts shaping global ecosystems, from industry megatrends and technology innovation to evolving customer expectations. Today, we're exploring loitering munitions growth, procurement, autonomy, and swarm priorities, unpacking where the next wave of opportunity is unfolding and what it means for future-ready businesses. Why loitering munitions are gaining procurement priority. Precision strike programs are being recalibrated around affordability, responsiveness, and survivable engagement. Loitering munitions, or LMs, are gaining budget attention because they combine intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, known as ISR, beyond line of sight engagement, or BELOS, and precision effects within a single expendable system. This matters because defense forces are reassessing where conventional artillery, airstrikes, and traditional guided missiles create cost, timing, or exposure constraints. LMs offer a lower-cost route to accurate engagement, faster target response, and reduced collateral effects across asymmetric, urban, and contested environments. The growth signal is significant. Global revenue is projected to increase from USD 6.06 billion in 2025 to USD 10.93 billion by 2028, reflecting a 21.7% compound annual growth rate. For defense original equipment manufacturers, or OEMs, systems integrators, autonomy specialists, sensor providers, and component suppliers, the opportunity extends beyond the platform itself. Value is concentrating around seekers, payloads, data links, propulsion, mission software, modular warheads, training suites, and swarm-capable architectures. The message for suppliers is clear. Future program relevance will depend on how well enabling systems support deployment across land, air, and naval operations. What is accelerating adoption, and what could slow scale? Three strategic imperatives are shaping how loitering munitions gain procurement relevance, supplier attention, and technology depth. The first is geopolitical chaos. High-intensity conflicts and regional instability are increasing demand for accurate, longer-range strike systems that support faster tactical response and lower collateral effects. The second is competitive intensity. Defense primes, startups, and specialist firms are competing for roles as demand rises, supply chains tighten, and collaboration becomes more important to production scale. The third is disruptive technologies. Global Positioning System, or GPS, independent navigation, swarm decentralization, hybrid propulsion, edge artificial intelligence, or AI, processing, and multispectral seekers are becoming key differentiators for LM systems in contested environments. Adoption is also being strengthened by the changing nature of warfare. Multi-role loitering munition systems can combine ISR, precision strike, and battle damage assessment in one modular platform. AI and swarm-enabled munitions are extending value through autonomous target detection, collaborative behaviors, and distributed engagement. At the same time, scale will depend on readiness. Specialized microelectronics, propulsion materials, seekers, batteries, energetics, and antennas can affect production timelines during demand surges. Smaller systems also face trade-offs in range, endurance, and warhead capacity. GPS-denied navigation, jamming, signal denial, adverse weather, and human-in-the-loop requirements can influence mission reliability and adoption speed. That makes program confidence as important as capability performance. Where growth opportunities are concentrating through 2028, the clearest growth pathways are forming across procurement, research and development, or R&D, and swarm-capable systems. Procurement is valued at over USD 1 billion. This opportunity is tied to payloads, seekers, data links, control systems, virtual training, plug-and-play warheads, and industrial scaling support as LMs move into larger acquisition cycles. R&D represents a USD 500 million to USD 1 billion opportunity. Priorities include anti-jam navigation, hardened communications, flexible payloads, extended range, mission planning software, and sensor-to-shooter automation. Swarm as accelerator is valued at over USD 1 billion. This pathway is expanding around autonomy modules, processors, sensors, high-density batteries, low-cost airframes, simulation environments, and software-in-the-loop testing. Supplier positioning is also becoming more competitive. AeroVironment, Anduril Industries, Teledyne FLIR, MBDA, Rheinmetall, WB Group, Israel Aerospace Industries, Rafael Advanced Defense Systems, Elbit Systems, Uvision, Edge Group, and Innovero reflect a supplier base spanning defense primes, specialist firms, and regional manufacturers. Program activity across the United States, Europe, the Middle East, and Asia Pacific points to stronger focus on partnerships, sovereign production, localized manufacturing, and faster fielding. Looking ahead, loitering munitions are becoming a precision strike growth lever where affordability, autonomy, and readiness influence procurement choices. The next phase will be shaped less by platform availability alone and more by how production scale, resilient components, platform integration, and swarm-capable architectures connect across land, air, and naval programs. For defense leaders, the priority is to identify where procurement demand, R&D, supplier capability, and execution readiness are likely to concentrate through 2028. Thanks for joining us on Frost & Sullivan's Growth Podcast. For access to our research, competitive benchmarking, and best practice frameworks, head over to frost.com or email hello@frost.com. We'll be back soon with more to help you stay clear-headed and growth-ready.